Just drove by and we saw a three-wheeler for sale, so we're gonna go stop by and say hi.
Check out this thing. Oh, but look at the.
That's okay. Let's go check it out. He's gonna want nothing for it, hopefully. Nice cheap deal. Nice. Oh.
Well, just drop it like I always do.
Yeah. And it has some spring thing on the and brake on there. Okay, it's a beater. It's a beater.
Wow. Hey, let's be real. We are in Quebec right now, so this is actually a normal bike.
Hey man, if this thing starts, then let's see what's inside the gas tank. Oh, there's lots of gas in here.
I'm actually just gonna knock on their door. I'm already knocking.
Oh, this one.
No, it's this house, dude. Oh shit, they got dogs and everything. I don't think they're home. This guy's just starting some random dude's fucking bike.
That's okay. So
You
now
should
we
have
know.
left the keys in it, motherfucker.
There's no keys. It's a switch. Fuck, I knocked on both houses, boys. No fucking answer on each.
So it starts. It
Run.
it runs. So we'll see what they say. We'll get a phone call from them maybe later today. And
Take the for sale sign off, boys.
Buddy, the last time we were here,
yeah,
this is new.
no, that was here last.
Was it? Last time I got something out here is a little plastic snowboard we wanted to use 2 years ago to make a video. Who knows where the fuck that's at? It was a good aftermarket steering wheel, Matt. You put this shit on your Subaru, bud. Craftsman, that's OEM, bud. Oh yeah.
Or a little bicycle rack, you know, go biking with the kids. Get your
Oh,
extra
hell yeah.
tires right there.
You're becoming a dad now, man. Fucking look at this. Brand new, bud.
Oh, I got some skates right beside you too.
Oh yeah, where's that? I don't see. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, that's brand new, bud. And if you feel being organic, we got some honeycombs right here for you. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Got a Craftsman shell. Probably part of this.
Oh, look at this. Fucking classic Anacondas. Oh, wow. Look
What
at that
a
movie. We're all
throwback.
old enough to know about this
What a
movie
throwback.
right
If you don't know this, then
Yeah.
Just taking that home with them.
here you go. You can have it.
Oh, fuck yeah.
bring it home, see if it works. I mean, this place has been leaking for a while, so.
Yeah, oh, you need some new flip-flops, Gio, right here.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Hey, where's the other one? Where's the other one, bud?
He's like, I'm gonna fucking use them.
Fuck yeah, look. You got dirty today, boys? You got clothes right here for you.
That's it. You know, you
Oh, look at that. Can
Need
you
a
hold my
blanket?
beer and my
Need a
glasses,
blanket?
boy? Oh yeah, no, this is, I think it's a costume. Oh no, it's a jacket. It's a fucking fancy jacket. Throw that bitch in the wash, bro. Give it to your girl. Shit.
Oh, look at this. Top of the world. Little top of the world sticker.
No way. That's a throwback. For those who know, you know. Top of the world. Damn. As if we just ran into a top of the world sticker, bud.
I know.
Me and Andrew used to fucking skateboard back in the day. He was the better one, unfortunately.
Unfortunately for you.
Fuck yourself.
Yeah, the TVs weren't smashed last time, too. Those
Yeah.
TVs are all now smashed.
You're fucking courageous walking flip-flops like this, my man.
I'm courageous in every aspect that you can imagine.
Yep, and the dick's presented to you.
I am the dick.
Hey, bud, this mattress looks tip-top, bud. Oh shit, I thought this shit died.
You know, this is like a whole separate room. I was like, what the fuck? I peeked
Yeah.
over before, but there's nothing in there.
Well, there's a door outside, man, right there.
Yeah, we can go check it out on the other side.
Oh yeah. After you, big boy. Pretty sick spot. Me and Andrew have been here before. Love the 160, man. Check out this new merch, guys. Look at that. A little tweak to the fucking sweaters. The t-shirts, my bad. Where the fuck are you bringing me, man?
I don't even know.
I can't even complain because this motherfucker's in flip flops and I got full on shoes.
Oh yeah, it's the cow stable.
Cow stable. Hey, look. This shit's dead as fuck. Should we bring some? Oh, actually, that's not.
We don't need it. We'll find some there. Trust me.
Oh, motherfucker. Almost lost his glasses. Almost lost a beer. Oh, look at this. You know, when the bitches are acting out, this is where I go, huh? I put them in here till they disappear.
It's all just hay up here.
Is it? Nothing crazy?
Here, I'll show you the camera.
It's actually just hay up there?
Yeah.
Damn. Thank you, sir. If it falls, it falls.
Hey,
Ain't no
it's our
insurance
time.
claim over here, bud. Oh, that's your insurance calling you, isn't it?
Oh, it's the three-wheeler, guys. This is the
No
three-wheeler.
way!
Let's get some light. Let's get some light.
Let's go. Kick that bitch open. Sorry. No, it ain't no lifting.
We were just at your house looking at that three-wheeler. Are you okay?
Speakerphone.
Is it for sale?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much you guys asking?
1,500.
15?
Mhm.
Oh, that's a little bit much for that.
Okay.
Would you be willing to come down on the price at all?
To where?
No, on the price.
We ride three-wheelers all the time.
Nice.
Okay, are you interested in selling it or not?
Oh yeah, you're interested in buying it? Sorry, it's $1,500. I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, cool. So that's your firm price, I guess? Okay, well, good luck with your sale.
Will do.
You know, you could do a lot better at selling if you just have a better attitude. I don't know why you're in a bad mood, but...
I can't help it. I don't. Okay.
What a fucking retard, eh?
Jesus Christ.
Probably doesn't even have papers, eh, bud?
Yeah, it sounded like either a 12-year-old boy or a fucking
Menopausal girl.
dumb girl. Yeah, I don't know, man. But that...
It's probably her boyfriend's bike.
It's like $1,500, okay? For, like, the way that they're talking is like, man, you don't want to sell this bike, do you?
No.
Anyways, sucks to be them.
It is what it is.
Let's press
If
forward.
you want a $1,500 bike like that, go for it.
No, you go buy a fucking one that looks mint for that kind of price. 15. Yeah, you know what?
You get a better deal.
You know what I'm thinking? She was probably smoking crack. She was probably on crack, and that's why she talks like that.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!